Hey Tyler, it's Max. This is the video that I promised you. So I know that you don't have a website, so I'm going to be using this website that I built, then ranked, just kind of as the example today. Okay, but the general gist here is to build a website and rank it in Google for these select key terms that are being searched by consumers. And I know that these specific words are being searched by consumers because I use this software called Ahrefs that kind of shows me that there's 250 to 280 searches every month for painters in Augusta, Georgia. All right. And so really I'm going to be showing you three main things that we would be doing to the website in order to help it rank. Okay, and the first thing is the content on your homepage. If you copy everything that you see here, including what these images are saved as, and just all the content right here on this home page. And then we throw it into this word counter. Shows us that there's right at 1,800 words on the home page. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, and they would want whatever keywords that you're targeting sprinkled in there in a specific way in order for it to be relevant to these search terms. Okay. The second thing is backlinks. And really what a backlink is just one website kind of linking like this to your website, which passes power and relevance to that website. So if we take this URL here and I throw it into that same software that I used, it shows me that I have 333 backlinks coming into my website. And that's a lot of these backlinks are boosting my trust flow right here from Google. So Google trusts these websites that are passing power to me. And it also says that the health of my website is pretty even with the trust of my website. Okay, so the health here is, pretty even, and there's quite a few links coming in which are passing power, and that just makes it more relevant to the search term that I was trying to rank it for. Okay. The third and final thing has to do with this Google Map Pack, and it's really just citations. And what a citation is the business's name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as like Yellow Pages. You already have Yelp up here, so we could get your address verified there, and then that would be a good citation. And that just helps your Google My Business page rank in this top 3 here for these select key terms. And that really helps boost the amount of traffic going to your website, because these people that are searching for these are going to click on one of these 3 about 65% of the time. Okay, and this is also what comes up on mobile devices. And as we all know, a lot of people are on mobile devices nowadays instead of desktop. So anyways, I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask is just for some feedback, whether that be your thoughts, or if you have any questions, you can give me a call, a text, or an email, or all 3. Just let me know, what your thoughts are. So I appreciate it. Have a good day.